It is said that if you attend an Igbo event and you are served ukwa, just know that you're a VIP in that event. Ukwa is one of the special delicacies we have in Igbo land. Hey guys, let me show you how to make this very expensive delicacy. So we start by washing your ukwa thoroughly to get rid of sand and stones. It can be very annoying when you're trying to enjoy your ukwa and you hear sound from your teeth. So I washed this multiple times, after which I poured it into a sieve to drain out the excess water. Now it's time to start cooking. I started by pouring the washed ukwa into a clean pot. I added some water. The quantity of water should be above the level of the ukwa. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. It is important to note at this point that there are different species of ukwa. This ukwa I'm cooking right now didn't require me adding potash because it gets done easily on its own. So always make sure to ask the ukwa seller about the cooking time before buying yours. While it was cooking, I got started on prepping my ingredients. So I continued by cleaning the stockfish. I opened it up, took out the bones and the unwanted parts. I washed it thoroughly and set it aside. Then I got some fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, pounded it roughly and set it aside. Now once the ukwa starts to boil, allow it to boil for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to introduce the ingredients into the boiling ukwa. So I added my washed stockfish. I added the roughly pounded Scotch bonnet peppers. Then I added some salt, some seasoning cubes, and lastly some palm oil. After which I covered the pot to allow it to cook. Once the water in the ukwa is almost dried up, mix everything together thoroughly and your ukwa is ready to be served. Super easy, right? Remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.